Okay, fun fact, and something it actually did not take me too long to figure out, is you have to push this in right there in order to get this center pin to drop out. Oh man. Okay, just turn it around. This goes to the inside. This goes to the outside. Okay. All right. The round one to the inside, the more rectangular one to the inside, and this is longer too, which will give you a clue. And there's where that little screw thing sets in, I do believe. One of these. Okay. All right. I think that's all the mistakes I have left to make, unless I lose the screw again, and then I'm, well, screwed.